Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we'll see in this video lovely viewer will see in this video stylish and trending modern landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas in 2025. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Attractive and trending, stylish, unique landscaping designs. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end, so you will see all stylish and trending unique landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new all trending pebble stones ideas, landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this videos till the end. You will see in this videos top creative and trending landscaping ideas. So guys, I would suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring unique landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. These were all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all creative landscaping ideas. So thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Fabulous and attractive and stylish unique landscaping ideas.